This video demonstrates how to create a sticky table header in WordPress using the League Table plugin. Sticky headers are used to keep column labels visible while scrolling through a table with many rows. This feature improves readability by maintaining context, especially in tables with multiple data points. Begin by activating the League Table plugin. Navigate to the Tables menu. Identify a table where a sticky header will enhance readability. In this example, an existing table with product information will be used. Duplicate the table and rename it by adding a descriptive suffix to indicate the sticky header feature. In the Style option, enable both the container and sticky header settings. Now insert the table into a page or post using the plugins block. On the front end, the sticky header will remain fixed while scrolling through the rows. This completes the process of setting up a sticky table header using the League Table plugin.